Welcome, guys. It's your boy Jay, and welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things stock, investing, and personal finance. In today's episode, we're going to do a quick portfolio review and kind of see where I've been since January. And we're also going to review a stock that I'm bullish on. Now, before I go ahead and jump into the video, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And also, if you guys are interested in free stocks or free money, I have links in the description below to Acorns and Robinhood, where you get a free stock with Robinhood, or you get $5, I believe, in your portfolio for Acorns. Now, with all that being said, let's dive into the video. So let me go ahead and just start screen recording. One sec. And then let's hop into Robinhood. All right, so we have Robinhood up, and let's see where we are at. So we are at $11,037.93. The last time I did a portfolio review, I believe we're at 9,000 on the road to 10. So now we're at 11,000 on the road to 12. So let's go, guys. Let's see. We're up for the day. We're up 194 bucks. For the week, we're up 4.5%, so $480. And for the month, we're up 7.8%, 800 bucks. Last 3 months, we're up 42%, so around 3,200. And for the year, we are up 86%, so around 5 grand, which I'll take that all day. Now, since I think January, I haven't made too many huge plays. I've been dabbling with options. When I feel a little bit more comfortable with my plays, I'll go ahead and share this stuff with you guys. As of right now, I'm still learning. There's a little bit of learning curves to options, so I'm still learning and finding out. But the biggest plays that I've probably made are I've invested in Riot, which Riot is a hold on. Let's go ahead and get the description. So Riot is blockchain engages in the provision of investment services to the blockchain ecosystem. I heard about them through that whole Bitcoin. Everyone's saying that Bitcoin's going to go to 100,000, and I realized that it's a stock that it moves with Bitcoin basically. So when Bitcoin spikes, it spikes, and when Bitcoin takes a dive, it takes a dive. So I realized that I thought to myself that, hey, this is the future. I invested a little bit in Bitcoin, and I said, let me invest a little bit in the stock as well, or in this stock as well, and it paid off. I definitely wish I got more. I think I bought 5 shares, if I'm not mistaken, at around $21 a share, and it is up $81 due to the news that Bitcoin, right now Bitcoin is at 52 grand, I believe, based on that whole Tesla investing a whole bunch of money, Apple and Mastercard saying that they're going, moving in that direction with Bitcoin. So it's been spiking. And yeah, $81 a share. Again, I wish I invested more. We're up 286%, around $400. So that was one of the good plays for me. I also had a speculative play. I invested some money into CCIV. I think I got 11 shares at around $17 a pop. Now it's up to $57 a share. So another 221% increase, $443. Again, I wish I had invested way more money because then, I would have seen way more returns. But it's one of those things where you don't want to just do something for fear of missing out or all that stuff. I like to play it safe and see my money grow and take profits where necessary, and then reinvest in something that I believe in as well. So with that said, the next stock that I'm actually bullish on, or the next stock that I believe in, is SherwinWilliams. Most of you guys probably heard of SherwinWilliams before, the paint company, and you're saying, "Oh, why are you bullish on paint in this company?" Couple of reasons, and full disclosure, I actually, back when I was in college, I was working. I was going to college. I had one job in retail, and I needed another job because like 1 hours were getting cut. I started working for Sherwin-Williams, and it is a wonderful company. They do like a 6% match. They offer stock purchase options. They have great health care. They really take care of their employees. It was one of the really good companies, so I went ahead and based on some news that's trending right now, or that I heard, I believe that they're going to be a good stock for you to invest in for the long term. Just so you guys know, also just want to put it out there, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just some plays that I'm doing for entertainment purposes only. So let's look at Sherwin-Williams real quick. So for the day, you'll see they're up almost 2%. For the week, they're up 1%. For the past month, they're actually down. Last 3 months, they're down. But for the year, they're up 23%. For the last 5 years, they've been up 178%. Now, like I said, Sherwin-Williams, the paint company, you've probably heard them. If you're up north, I think Ben Moore is the big guys up there. But, they compete heavily with Ben Moore. Especially in the south, there, Sherwin-Williams is king. They have different industries. They don't just do paint, but they have paint. They have painting supplies, AP. They have TAG, which is the Americas group. They also have the European group as well. They have an automotive division, and they have an aerospace division where I think they develop the paint films for like the military planes, the fighters, the ships, helicopters, all that kind of stuff. So they're a very diverse company. They specialize in one thing they actually do is they buy the competition a lot. I remember when I started working there, I think that was when they purchased Valspar, which was another major competitor. They purchased Duron, which was another major competitor. Purdy, all those, they tend to just absorb their competition and then implement them within the stores, or they sell them in competitors. So if you go to like Lowe's, you'll see Sherwin-Williams products, like Purdy, which Sherwin-Williams own, Minwax, which Sherwin-Williams own, and some other companies that they own. You'll see them in other competitors. If you go to Home Depot, etc., etc. Valspar, you see in Lowe's. It's actually Sherwin-Williams product. Ovation, Sherwin-Williams product. So again, that's a major industry that I don't think will be hugely affected by the whole internet wave, the whole Amazon wave, all that stuff, because it requires manual labor. And, buying paint isn't one of the easiest things to do online. Sure, you can go ahead and do it, but again, they're not limited to just paint. Like I said, they do floorings, they do aerospace, they operate both in the whole North America and in Europe, so it's a huge company. With that being said, the reason that I'm actually bullish on it is because of the news that they released. So they released two news actually. The first one is that they're going to be doing a 3-to-1 stock split April 1st, if I'm not mistaken. And that's going to be huge. They said they're going to do it for the employees and for investors, young investors that are interested in going ahead and joining investing in the company. So right now it's at around 720 something, bad at math, but average share is going to be like $200+ after the 3-to-1 split. I myself, like I said, full disclosure, because I work with company, I was in their the stock purchase program, so I have around $15,000 worth of Sherwin-Williams share in my Fidelity account. But I wanted to go ahead and start investing in Robinhood. Eventually, I'm going to transition everything into one, but I like to have everything broken up for right now. So I started investing in Robinhood. I'm going to try and do around $100 or $50 to $100 weekly into Sherwin-Williams for this year and see how it does. The second news that they went ahead and they announced is they're planning to do a buyback. They're going to buy back shares around $15 million worth, which basically this helps increase the value of the shares because the earnings per shares increase when they buy back stocks and they hold it. So it makes the company look good basically, and it helps, increase the value of the shares. The less of something there is, the more valuable it becomes. And they also went ahead and announced that they are increasing their quarterly dividends by 23.1%. So it's moving from $1.34 per share to $1.65 per share, which is huge for investors or people that are into dividend investing, which is one of the things that I said I wanted to do this year. One of my goals were to get some companies that pay out dividends. So I invested in Apple, AGNC, O Realty, and now I'm adding Sherwin-Williams to the portfolio for dividends. So on that note, we're going to go ahead and wrap up the video. Those are the major reasons I'm bullish on Sherwin-Williams for 2021 moving forward for the long term. If you guys have any questions, if you have anything that you want me to go over, just let me know in the comment section. Once again, please go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share the video, all that good stuff. And until next time, I'll catch you guys. Peace.